In this video, I'll show you how to get voice chat in Roblox without ID. Now, if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, to get voice chat on Roblox without government ID, you must be at least 13 years old and verify a phone number on your account. This method is only available in specific countries, and this includes USA, Canada, Australia, and Mexico. And unfortunately, I am in neither of these countries, but I'm going to show you the process that you're going to use to verify your phone number if you are in any of these countries. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Roblox account. Once that's open, you're going to go to more. Now on the more, you're going to go to settings. On the settings, you're going to go to account info, and under account info, you're going to look out for a place that says phone number if you're in the US, Canada, UK, Australia, and or Mexico. You're going to look for a place that's like a header that says phone number, and you're going to include a verified phone number. You're also going to include a verified email address. Now, once you do that, there should be a blue button that comes on to toggle voice chat. It should either be under communication or beta features heading. So you're going to go back and you're going to go to privacy and content restrictions. Now it should either be under communication here or it should be under beta features. Now from there you can see the button to toggle on to allow voice to enable voice chat. Now that is how to get voice chats in Roblox without ID. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.